Hello fellows, today's section I am going to solve the exercise 1.1. The first main is, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved making as arithmetic progression and why? The first question they given here, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is Rs 15 for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So here they given the fare of the first kilometer, that is 15 rupees, and after the additional kilometer they will charge 8 rupees. So let me solve here. Solution: it can be observed that taxi fare for first kilometer equal to rupees 15. The taxi fare for second kilometer, so 15 plus 8, so first kilometer is a 15 rupees and additional kilometer is a 8 rupees. So here 2 kilometer are there, so first one is a 15 and a second one more kilometer, that is 8 rupees. So this is equal to 15 plus 8 is 23. And next, the taxi fare for third kilometer, so this is equal to, the first kilometer is 15 plus, and here extra kilometer is 2, so into 8, so this is equal to 8 to the 16, 16 plus 15 is 31. So next, the taxi fare for fourth kilometer, first kilometer is a 15 rupees plus, and extra is 3 kilometer are there, so 3 into 8, so this is equal to 39. Is it clear? So now here, thus the terms are, first is 15, second is 23, 31, 39, so on. Look at the sequence here. The every term is 8 more than the preceding term. So therefore, the above terms are in AP with common difference 8. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. The amount of air present in a cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So let me solve here. Solution: let the amount of air in the cylinder is X, and they said here the 1/4 of air is remaining in the cylinder at a time. So here, therefore, air removed in a first stroke, so 1/4 of the air, so the air in the cylinder is X and 1/4 is removed. So this much air is removed, then the air left in the cylinder, so write down here, this implies air left after first stroke. So this is equal to, here the total air is a x minus 1 by 4, x is removed. So now it will become here, take 4 as a LCM, so 4x minus 1 by 4, so here we got 3x by 4. So air removed in a first stroke, after first stroke, 3x by 4. And now here air left after second stroke. So this is equal to, so air left in the cylinder is a 3 by 4 x, and this 1/4 is removed, so 1/4 into 3 by 4 x. So this become 3 by 4 x minus 3x by 4 into 4, 16. So now here take 16 as a LCM, so here multiple by 4, 3 4s are 12 minus 3x, so here we got 9x by 16. Is it clear? And now here air left after third stroke. So air present in the cylinder is 9x by 16, and this 1/4 is removed, 1/4 of 9x divided by 16. Is it clear? So now 9x by 16 minus 1 into 9x is 9x divided by 4 into 16 is 64. So now here take 64 as a LCM, so 64 here multiple by 4, 16 4s are 64, so 9 4s are 36x minus 9x, and here 36 minus 9 is 27x by 64. Is it clear? So this much air is removed in after third stroke. I now write down air left after fourth stroke. Here the air present is 27x divided by 64, and this 1/4 is removed, so 27x divided by 64. So now here 27x divided by 64 as it is, and minus 1 into 27 is 27x, and this divided by 4 into 16 is 256, and here take 256 as a LCM, and here multiple by 4, 16 4s are 256. 27 into 4 is 108x minus 27x. So here we got 108x minus 27x is 81x, and this divided by 256. So this much air is left in a cylinder. So now write the terms here. Thus the terms are, so first one is x, and second one is 3x minus 4, so 3x by 4, and third one, So third one 9x by 16, 9x by 16, and fourth one 27 by 64, 24x by 64, and the fifth one 81x by 256, and so on. So here we got the sequence, and here check out in this sequence the common difference is constant or not. If the common difference is a constant, then this sequence is a AP. If the common difference is not a constant, means this sequence is not a AP. So let me find here D equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 3x by 4, second term, minus A1 is first term, that is x. So here take 4 as a LCM. So here we got 3x minus 4x, and here we got 3x minus 4x is minus x divided by 4. Is it clear? And now A3 minus A2. So here A3 is third term, 9x by 16 minus A2 is 3x by 4. So here take LCM is a 16. So 9x minus 12x. So here 9x minus 12x is minus 3x divided by 16. So look at here. Here first term and the second term difference is a minus x by 4. And here third and the second term difference is a minus 3 by 4. So these two are the not a constant. These are the different. So the given sequence is not a AP because the common difference is not a constant. So write down the conclusion here. So this implies minus x divided by 4. It is a difference of first and second term, and this is not equal to minus 3x divided by 16. This second and third term difference. These two are the not equal. If it is a equal, means the given sequence is a AP, and these two are not equal. These two are not a constant. So the given sequence is not a AP. So write down here, therefore the above terms are not in AP. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. The cost of digging a well after every meter of the digging, when it is costs Rs 150 for the first meter and rises by Rs 50 for the each subsequent meters. So here they given the cost of a digging well. The first meter they will charge 150 rupees, and after subsequent meters they will charge 50 rupees. So let me solve here. Solution. The cost of digging for first meter equal to rupees 150. And now the cost of digging for second meter equal to, so here 150 for the first meter, and additional meter they will charge 50 rupees. So here we got 200, Rs 200. And now the cost of digging for third meter. So here the first meter is 150 plus, so here additional meter is 2 meters are there, so 2 into 50. So here 150 plus 100. So here we got 150 plus 100 is 250. Is it clear? So now here the cost of digging for fourth meter. So here the first meter charge is 150 plus here additional meter is a 3. 4 means the first meter is a 150, additional is 3 into 50. So this equal to 150 plus 150. 3 into 50 is a 150. And now here got rupees 300. So here write down the terms. Thus the terms are, so first one is a 150 and second 150 plus 50 200, and next third one 250, and fourth one 300, and so on. So now here and here we got a sequence, and now we want to find out this sequence is a AP or not. So here the common difference is a constant, means it is a AP. The common difference is not constant, means it is not a AP. So first write down here D equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 200 minus A1 is 150. So 200 and 150 is 50. And next D equal to A3 minus A2. So here A3 is 250 minus A2 is 200. Here we got 50. So now A4 minus A3. So A4 is 300 minus 250. Here also we got 50. So look at here, the common difference is a constant, so it is a AP. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore the above terms are in the AP with common difference equal to 50. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. The amount of a money in an account every year when the Rs 1000 is deposited at a compound interest at the 8% is per annum. So here 1000 amount is deposit, and here we want to find out the compound interest for the every year. So let me solve here. Solution. And here we know that the formula for the compound interest, that is CI equal to P in a bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to T. So here P is the principal amount and R is the rate of interest and T is the time taken. Therefore the amount at the end of first year. So here principal amount is 1000 and 1 plus rate of interest is 8 divided by 100. T is 1 first year. Is it clear? And now for the second year. Therefore the amount at the end of second year, 1001, and rate of interest is 8 divided by 100. So here time is 2 for the second year. And now for the third year, the amount at the end of third year. So here 1000, principal amount is 1000. So 1 plus rate of interest is 8 divided by 100. So here time is 3, third year. And now for the fourth year, the amount at the end of fourth year. So here principal amount 1000 in a bracket 1 plus 8 by 100 and 4. So it will continue so on. So write down the terms here. Therefore the terms are, so first one is 1000. First year deposit is 1000. Second year 1000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 1. And third year 1000 1 plus 8 by 100 2. And next 1000 1 plus 8 divided by 100 3. And next 1000 1 plus 8 divided by 100 raised to 4, and so on. So here we got the sequence, right? So this sequence, common difference is a constant, means it is a AP. The common difference is not a constant, means it is not a AP, right? Look at here. Here the power is increases 0 to 1 2 3 4. It means here the common difference is not a constant, so it is not a AP. So write down here. So here A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So common difference is a not equal, so it is not a AP. Therefore the above terms are not in AP. Is it clear?